Let's start our planner making with story about New Year in short. This is a new method that I am going to use for my long video. I am going to use stories, history behind my topic of video. Earlier I made Christmas journaling video and I used history of Christmas tree in that video. You can go and check out that video. So let's begin our story. As the clock strikes midnight and fireworks light up the sky, people around the world will come together to welcome the new year on January 1st. On this day people gather with friends and family on the 31st of December, New Year's Eve, to celebrate the wonderful occasion with gifts, sumptuous feasts, parties and more. New Year traditions encapsulate the essence of bidding farewell to the old and embracing the promise of the new. The start of a new year represents joy, strength and optimism for a better future. January 1st was first observed as the start of the new year in 45 BC. Before that, the Roman calendar began in March and lasted 355 days. After coming to power, Roman dictator Julius Caesar changed the calendar. In part to honor the month's namesake, Janus, the Roman god of beginnings whose two faces allowed him to look forward into the future as well as backwards into the past, made the 1st of January the first day of the year. However, it wasn't widely accepted in Europe until well into the middle of the 16th century. After the introduction of Christianity, December 25th, the day of Jesus' birth, was accepted and January 1st, the start of the new year, was considered heathen. It wasn't until Pope Gregory changed the Julian calendar to make January 1st the official start of the year that it became accepted. Furthermore, it is thought that the new year began approximately 2000 BC, or over 4000 years ago, in ancient Babylon. On the first new moon following the vernal equinox, usually in late March, the Babylonians celebrated the new year with an 11-day celebration called Aketu, which included a distinct ceremony on each of the days. New Year 2024, Significance and Traditions. The start of a new year is more than just the turning of a page, it's a time for everyone to take stock of their lives and make a fresh start. Around the world, the beginning of a new year symbolizes a fresh start and a sense of hope, encouraging people to set goals and seize new opportunities. In many countries, New Year's Eve falls on the 31st of December and celebrations continue into the early hours of the 1st of January. Foods and snacks believed to bring good luck are consumed by revelers. Around the world, people celebrate with customs such as singing songs and watching fireworks. As the new year is a great opportunity for good change, many people write down their resolutions for the coming year. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please support my channel. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestion, opinion, question, then drop them in comment section. I would like to hear from you all.